Hello, this is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab and Medical here in Jackson, Tennessee, and this is part 2 of our last week's topic where we had part 1 on tennis elbow, or also the medical term called lateral epicondylitis or lateral epicondylopathy. And so what I'm going to do today is demonstrate a very effective exercise you can do at home to help decrease your pain and actually improve your grip strength. Okay, so this exercise has been published in a journal recently that shows it's very effective in mobilizing the elbow, which in turn can help decrease pain at the elbow and improve your grip strength if those of you suffer from grip issues in your everyday ADLs or activities of daily living. So what I'll do first here is you'll need to take 2 towels and you'll just wad them up. And so in your house, if you have just, you'll open a door to where you'll have your affected hand. And in this video I'm going to show my left hand. And so what you want to do is up here is place your elbow right up here because we're going to be going into extension. And so when you add this towel here, it allows us to get more terminal extension. And the other towel, what you want to do is put it in your hand here, and you actually want to rotate your hand so your thumb is going to be facing down. Okay? So what you're going to do is real lightly come right here, and you're going to press in to add more extension. And at that terminal end, you want to squeeze the towel and hold that for 1 second, and then release. And then you want to push again, squeeze, and release. Okay? And so right here, what you want to do is about 6 reps of 3 sets, so that'll be 18 total, so 3 sets of 6 right there. And so what this will do is get more extension in the elbow at the same time as when you're squeezing to increase grip strength. So this is a very effective exercise, like I said at the beginning, that can help that. Also, we have a whole protocol that we give our patients here that they can do at home to further the progression even more. So if you're very interested in a protocol of additional exercises you can do, please just, in the comments below this video, just put yes or leave your email address and we'll get you a PDF handout on that. Also, if you're wondering about what tennis elbow is or the lateral epicondylitis, please revert back to the first video where I discussed that, or you can always come in the office and we got the handouts here that goes over exactly what it is. But no worries if you can't do either of those. If you leave your email in the comments below, in the handout it'll have the description of it as well as the exercise to best help get you out of pain and on with your life for a happy Merry Christmas, not Thanksgiving, and a Happy New Year. So hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next week.